Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to do coding with Python language in mobile for free. We have to download this app. You have to write Python IDE. This is the app. Just install and open it. See, it's only Python. First of all, I will write example code. Number is equal to, here you can see symbols. See, here is equal to, wait, here is number 1 is equal to, I will write 31. You can write anything. Now I will write add is equal to number 1 plus number 2. Now I will print here, print is equal to, not is equal to, sorry, print then bracket. Now write addition of two numbers is equal to, where is equal to, here is 2. Now go here, yes, now comma, then add. Now I will play this. See, addition of two number is 57. First I will write here, I will remove 26, then I will write here in bracket, then I will write here, no, not this, I will write here input, then one more bracket, then we will write here enter the value. Now I will play, enter the value. I will write here 26. You can write anything, 26, then enter. See, addition of two number is 57 because the first number I have to choose and second number is fixed, 31. It's very easy. We have to save here, from here, hello. You can change from where do you want. I will make new folder name my coding files. Create. See, select folder. I will write here first Python, then dot. I deleted dot. Now save. See, it is saved. I will write 100. See, it's 131.